Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the all-new 2026 Kia Telluride, a bold, refined, and smartly upgraded SUV that's already turning heads in the full-size family SUV segment. Kia has taken what was already a fan favorite and elevated it with new design elements, advanced tech, and improved performance to meet the expectations of modern drivers. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 Telluride receives a more sculpted, upscale look compared to its predecessors. The front fascia has been redesigned with a more aggressive and premium appearance. A revised grille with a refined geometric pattern now sits between slimmer LED headlamps, giving the SUV a more futuristic and commanding presence. The LED daytime running lights are shaped like a boomerang, making the front profile more distinctive on the road. At the back, you'll notice a cleaner, more elegant look. Vertical LED taillights blend smoothly with the updated tailgate, while a redesigned bumper adds a tougher stance to the rear. New wheel designs, available in 18 to 20-inch sizes, give the Telluride a sporty yet luxurious look, while the body-colored cladding adds to its polished silhouette. The Telluride also features a wider palette of colors for 2026, including deep forest green, wolf gray, and midnight black, giving buyers plenty of options to suit their style. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Telluride sticks with what works, a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and confident power delivery. Whether you're merging onto highways or cruising through city traffic, the Telluride feels balanced and responsive. For 2026, Kia has also fine-tuned the suspension system to deliver a more refined ride, especially on rough or uneven surfaces. The available all-wheel drive system enhances grip and stability in different weather conditions, while Drive Mode Select lets you choose between comfort, sport, eco, and snow settings depending on your needs. The Telluride can also tow up to 5,500 pounds when properly equipped, making it an excellent companion for weekend adventures and family getaways. Now let's step inside, where the 2026 Telluride truly shines. The interior design reflects a premium feel with high-quality materials and a smart, ergonomic layout. The dashboard is dominated by a new panoramic curved display that houses both a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, blending seamlessly into one high-tech unit. The infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation, voice recognition, and an upgraded Harman Kardon sound system for an immersive audio experience. The center console has been reconfigured with touch-sensitive climate controls and a cleaner, more minimalist look. Seating remains a strong point for the Telluride. It can comfortably accommodate up to 8 passengers, with generous headroom and legroom in all 3 rows. Available Nappa leather upholstery, ventilated seats in both the first and second rows, and a heated steering wheel make for a luxurious driving experience. The third row is more accessible now thanks to a one-touch sliding second row, and cargo space is abundant, with 21 cubic feet behind the third row and up to 87 cubic feet with all the seats folded flat. In terms of safety and driver assistance, Kia continues to pack the Telluride with advanced features. The 2026 model comes standard with the latest version of Kia's DriveWise system, including forward collision avoidance, blind spot view monitor, rear cross traffic alert, smart cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, and even highway driving assist, which enables semi-autonomous driving on highways. A new 360-degree camera system and a digital rearview mirror enhance visibility in tight spots and low light conditions. Pricing for the 2026 Kia Telluride starts around $37,000 for the base LX trim and can go up to about $53,000 for the fully loaded SX Prestige X Pro variant. This makes it one of the best value propositions in the segment, considering the level of luxury, technology, and capability it offers. So that's the full breakdown of the 2026 Kia Telluride, an SUV that blends bold styling, solid performance, and premium features in a package that's hard to beat. Whether you're looking for a family hauler or a weekend adventurer, the Telluride continues to be a top contender in its class. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews coming your way.